Hello everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today I want to show y'all how to make some simple, fun, patriotic flip-flops. So let's not waste no time and get started. Let's see here, I'm going to turn you down a little bit. I thought I was. Okay, I picked up some flip-flops from the Dollar Tree. You can get these at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Dollar General, any of the dollar stores. Just simple little flip-flops. But we're going to do something a little different here. We're going to add some material to them. I took a strip of material. I got red and white stripes, and I've got the blue and white stars. Patriotic. So I cut me a strip about 7 inches wide. Just went down and cut it, and then I went a little less than an inch, and I didn't measure them, but they all came out less than an inch, and then I ripped them. Now I wanted the frayed end on it on the sides. If you don't want that, you can cut them with scissors, and it won't, it'll give you where it's not frayed. But I wanted the rough, tattered look to it. So let's see. You'll take yours. It's 7 inches long now, and it's less than a ½ inch wide. So I took it and folded it and bring it under your strap, and then you're going to pull your tails through there and pull it up like this. I did this all the way around. Now these are 7 inches. I went back, I left them 7 inches because I wanted to be able to pull them and have enough left over. But then when I got finished, I did go back and I trimmed a little bit because they seemed a little long to me. So if you wanted to cut them 6 inches or so, you could do that. I would cut them in 7 still, because some of them being like this, you see how that one didn't come all the way and it's not even. That way when you do cut them, they are even. So like I said, you just fold them in half, and then you put that loop up under, and then you pull your tails through the loop and then pull it tight. Now I did that all the way down here. When I got, because there's more red and white stripes, takes up more of the flag than the stars, the blue and white stars. So I came all the way 2 or 3 past the center, and then I had started with my blue and white stars, and I did the same thing all the way around. This is just repetitive, just doing the same thing over and over. So I'm not going to waste your time and make you sit here the whole time and watch me, because literally this is all you do. Fold it in half, put your loop up under here, and then you bring your tails through the loop and pull it tight. And then I shoved them tight as I went, and you can see how some of them are kind of uneven. Then you just take your scissors and get them all even, and it turns out really, really cute. Now I have wanted a navy blue pair. I have wanted, or either a red or white, because I was doing Patriotic. The Dollar Tree, I didn't go anywhere else looking for them, but they didn't have any of what I wanted. So I got the black and the light blue because this yellow is going to be covered up anyway. But this is what they turn out to look like. And how cute. This is something simple that, you know, you could do with children, young children, preteens. You know, they were having a party and wanted a fun craft to do, or if they were having a sleepover and needed something to do, you know, night or whatever. This would be fun, you know, to get some girls together and let them make their own little flip-flops. You could do it in any design because you could pick your material. But I thought this was just a cute, fun, patriotic. You could wear, you know, your patriotic decor, your, not decor, but your patriotic shirts and shorts and jeans or whatever you're going to wear for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, all those holidays. So I just wanted to show y'all this idea, and y'all let me know in the comments if you like the idea or not. Or if you know, you can always change it up and do something different. You could take some hot glue, and if you wanted to, you could do a little embellishment on the front there if you wanted to, with bedazzled, totally dazzled. You could add a totally dazzled gem there. That would be pretty. So yeah, I just wanted to get on and show y'all this quick little craft, this quick little thing to make you some flip-flops. So if you like this idea, if you like crafting, making crafts and all the good stuff, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Click the bell, then YouTube can notify you by email every time I load a video, and I load them pretty often. So thank y'all for watching, and I hope you like this idea, or you can change it up and make your own. So thank y'all, and until next time, I love you all, and get to crafting and make something unique, make something personal, and make it pretty. Thank you. Y'all have a great evening.